so excited Charlotte Tilbury came out with a Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette. So let's get started. Let's tone the face and prep it with lotion. This one is a lavender lotion and it smells so good. I feel like I'm at the spa. This is the filter or primer from Charlotte Tilbury. I was surprised at how dark the color was, but it blended very smoothly. Here's the Magic Foundation. This is probably one of the best foundations I've ever used. It applies so smoothly and it looks very natural at the same time while giving you coverage. I was very impressed. Time to conceal. So one side is the cream and the other side is the actual concealer. Time to powder. This is Pacifica's powder. Time to bronze or contour or give your face a little bit of color or dimension. Maybe the nose too. Time for blush. This is Benefit's blush. I just love the design of these box blushes. I think it's such a great idea. Time to highlight with Charlotte Tilbury's gold palette. Alright, time for some brows. This one's from Benefit. And now time for the palette. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. At first glance, it looks very simple, but when you start to use it, you see how wonderful each color is. If you've ever watched Charlotte Tilbury's videos, you'll see that all of her quads, you do everything in the same order. So because this is my first time using it, I'm just going to follow that order. But I'm sure you can create a lot of different looks by using different combinations or placing the colors in a different order. But this is my first time, so I just wanted to see how it applied. And the colors are beautiful. I love how she calls everybody darlings. I think that's so sweet. Alright, so for this part she usually uses her finger, but I just wanted to see how it worked with a brush, and it indeed works way better with your finger, so definitely apply it with your finger. And this is it. This is so pretty. I love this eyeshadow palette. I feel like it gives you that perfect bedroom eyes look, which is probably why it's called Pillow Talk. And it gives you a nice Valentine's Day look, a date look. It's a great everyday look for work, so it's so versatile. I love this palette. Alright, I'm just going to finish up the look. I'm going to add some eyeliner. This is how I tightline. Sample. It's very Victoria for Victoria Beckham, and so the color was actually much lighter than I thought, but I also have dark lips, so it kind of just looks like my lips, and I think this is it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I love this palette, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.